Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. Meet the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 Mid-Tower ATX Airflow Case, a premium, airflow-focused PC case designed for gamers who want cool temperatures, clean builds, and modern design. At just $69.99, this case delivers exceptional value with premium airflow design, pre-installed fans, and high-end build quality, making it one of the best budget-friendly airflow cases in its class. The H7 Flow 2024 is built for performance cooling and easy building. It includes 3 pre-installed 120mm fans for strong out-of-the-box airflow. The front and top panels are fully optimized for unrestricted air intake and exhaust. It also supports bottom-mounted fans for direct GPU cooling, helping reduce temperatures during heavy gaming or rendering workloads. Inside, you get a spacious layout with excellent cable management channels, making clean builds simple even for beginners. It supports ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ITX motherboards, and offers flexible radiator mounting options for future liquid cooling upgrades. Pros: excellent airflow performance. 3 pre-installed fans included. Clean cable management system. Supports strong GPU cooling setup. Premium NZXT build quality. Cons: no RGB fans included. Airflow-focused design may be louder under load. Limited front aesthetics compared to glass-heavy cases. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Meet the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack, a fully modular mid-tower ATX case designed for builders who want flexibility, airflow, and a clean modern build experience. At just $63.99, this case delivers outstanding value from Cooler Master, offering modular construction, premium layout options, and features usually found in higher-priced cases. The Qube 500 Flatpack stands out with the Flatpack fully modular design, making it easy to assemble and customize your build layout exactly how you want. It supports extended ATX motherboards, giving you compatibility for high-end workstation or gaming setups. Cooling is flexible with support for dual 280mm radiators, making it ideal for both air and liquid cooling builds. It comes with a pre-installed 120mm rear fan, ensuring immediate airflow out of the box. One of its standout features is vertical GPU mounting support, allowing you to showcase your graphics card in a clean, display-style configuration. The tempered glass panels also give it a premium aesthetic while still maintaining strong structural airflow design. Pros: fully modular flatpack design for easy customization. Supports eATX motherboards, high compatibility. Vertical GPU mounting support. Dual 280mm radiator support. Clean tempered glass premium look. Great value for the price. Cons: only 1 pre-installed fan included. Assembly takes longer than traditional cases. Not ideal for beginners who want a plug-and-play build. Number 3. InWin A3-mATX. Meet the InWin A3 Black Gaming Chassis, a compact, stylish mini tower case with tempered glass and built-in ARGB lighting, designed for clean and modern gaming builds. At $131.99, this case from InWin sits in the premium compact category, offering a designer-level look, ARGB lighting, and high-end build aesthetics for small-form gaming setups. The InWin A3 focuses on compact power and visual appeal. It features a built-in ARGB fan, giving your system instant lighting effects right out of the box. Its tempered glass side panel lets you fully showcase your components, making it perfect for RGB-themed builds. Despite its small footprint, it supports both air and liquid cooling solutions, giving flexibility for performance-focused setups. The internal layout is optimized for Mini-ITX builds, ideal for compact gaming PCs or desk-friendly setups with a clean aesthetic. It also uses a rear-mounted PSU design, helping improve airflow and cable organization inside the tight space. Pros: premium compact design with tempered glass. Built-in ARGB fan included. Excellent for clean Mini-ITX gaming builds. Supports air and liquid cooling options. Great aesthetic for RGB-focused setups. Cons. High price for a compact case. Limited internal space for upgrades. Not suitable for large GPUs or multi-drive setups. Only ideal for Mini-ITX builds. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow. Meet the Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow, a stylish white mid-tower ATX case built for airflow, RGB lighting, and premium dual-glass design. At just $69.99, this case from Thermaltake delivers incredible value, offering ARGB fans, dual-tempered glass panels, and ATX support at a very budget-friendly price. The View 270 Plus comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans, giving you vibrant lighting and solid airflow right out of the box. Its standout design includes front and side dual-tempered glass panels, making your build fully visible from multiple angles, perfect for RGB showcase setups. It supports up to 360mm radiators, making it a strong choice for liquid cooling enthusiasts. Inside, it supports eATX motherboards, giving you flexibility for high-end gaming or workstation builds. The bottom-mounted PSU design helps improve cable management and keeps the interior clean and organized. Pros. Excellent value for $69.99. 3 ARGB fans included. Dual-tempered glass premium look. Supports eATX and 360mm radiators. Strong airflow potential. Cons. Glass panels can trap heat if airflow setup is weak. ARGB control depends on motherboard support. Slightly heavier build due to glass panels. Number 1. Lian Li A3-mATX. Meet the Lian Li A3-mATX 26.3L chassis, a compact, premium modular mini form factor case built for clean, high-performance gaming setups. At $89.99, this case from Lian Li delivers strong value for a premium compact chassis, offering flexibility, high-end cooling support, and a designer collaboration build quality. The Lian Li A3 is designed around maximum flexibility in a compact 26.3L layout, making it ideal for powerful small form factor gaming PCs. It supports both MicroATX and Mini-ITX motherboards, giving you more hardware flexibility than typical SFF cases. Despite its size, it supports a 360mm AIO radiator, which is impressive for a compact chassis and allows serious cooling performance. The modular interior design lets you adjust layout depending on GPU, PSU, or cooling configuration. It also features flexible power supply mounting options, including front-facing PSU placement for optimized space usage. No fans are included, giving builders full control over their cooling setup and airflow strategy. Pros. Premium compact modular design. Supports 360mm AIO in small form factor. High flexibility for GPU/PSU layout. Clean, minimalist Lian Li build quality. Great for custom SFF gaming builds. Cons. No pre-installed fans included. Requires careful planning for airflow. Not beginner-friendly for first-time builders. Higher price for an empty chassis. If you want a compact powerhouse build, the Lian Li A3-mATX case is a top-tier choice. Check the link in the description for the best price. Like the video if you want more PC case breakdowns. Subscribe for more PC build guides and reviews.